look up, then we don't get
That's
shit. Look, we're live now, but if we look up, we don't get. We get the whole hello. We get all that. So I am with
Rosey from Animals in Distress,
who is the new
campaign development lead for the Big Bark campaign to build new kennels.
the Big Bark to build new kennels, and if you will remember, we went to the Big Bark Ball last year in support and launch of the new campaign. So it's to build the new kennel block.
It's much needed. We've got really old kennels that are cold in the winter, hot in the summer, and really not the best place for our dogs to be in. So we're trying to build fantastic kennels that will be much nicer. There'll be an area for timid dogs to be. There'll be an area with sofas and carpets for them to get used to being in a home environment. There'll be a training room, so we'll better be able to prepare dogs and their owners so that they'll go out to their new home. It will be a forever home. They won't come back to us.
Yeah, because what was brilliant when we started to learn about the Big Bark project was that you're looking to literally set up a house in that area as well as the kennels, so you're setting up a house.
Yeah, so it's not a huge shock when the dog goes to somebody's home. It's already had a bit of sofa life and knows what it's like. And it's hard to imagine that a dog hasn't had that environment.
No.
But obviously we have some strays that haven't, or farm dogs.
Yeah.
So it's really important that there are no surprises. And also it's nice for us to be able to give them that socialisation and care and love while they're in there.
Now, what is the projected cost for this?
It's about 1.2 million. It's more than just building kennels. We're building somewhere where there's an indoor training facility, because there's nowhere to train dogs now when it's wet and cold. There's going to be a grooming area. There's going to be a much better kitchen. I went there the other day in our kennels, and our staff are all on top of each other with these kitchen cupboard doors that come off in their hands. It'll all be fit for purpose. We're really proud of our training, and we want to be a centre of excellence. So we need the facilities to support that, and it will be the best possible thing for the mental health of our dogs.
Yeah, and I guess what's happened over the years is that you guys have been so busy, quite rightly, concentrating on the dog's welfare and getting on with the job in hand, which is the welfare of these dogs that come through Animals in Distress, making sure their health checks, their training needs, they're well looked after if they need more socialising and stuff like that. So this is kind of the next stage, because you've been so busy doing all of that and the amazing job that you do.
Absolutely, and our
that
staff
suddenly
are
you need now the facilities, because they've kind of not neglected is the wrong word, but they've kind of been
got older, and time has come that we really need to do this. So it's a major campaign. It's probably the biggest thing we've ever done, but it will make a huge difference to the whole centre. I mean, you've been there. Our cats have the most luxurious home.
It's
very lucky.
It's
lovely, and our dogs deserve exactly the same. So it's going to be a hard campaign, but we're really excited about it. I've met some wonderful people already. I'm really new to the role, but I'm so excited about it. It's going to be the best challenge, and I just can't wait to see it all done, and our dogs just having the best life.
brilliant, and people can get involved, so people can donate online already, can't they?
Absolutely, people can donate online, people can buy a brick for £100, and we're having a sponsorship wall, so anyone who donates, we can have their name in the kennels forever. Companies, we'd really like companies to get involved. Most companies have a charity scheme, whether it's a charity of the year or a foundation. We'd love them to get behind this. We'll really happily do lots of PR for them. There'll be something tangible that they can see that they've helped with, so it will be great for them too.
Yeah, and the thing is that big companies get involved, okay, because this is your chance to show that you're more than just a corporate business, that you actually care about what goes on in your community. And there's no better way than supporting a charity that supports the welfare of another sentient being, really.
Absolutely.
You know, it's get out there, you know.
And supporting a small local charity makes such a difference. Every penny will make a huge difference. And people want to work for companies that support charities. We have all sorts of things we can do with companies, from volunteer days to really exciting challenges that they can get involved in, team building days. So we're really hoping they'll embrace this kennel campaign.
And you used to say, it doesn't have to cost an absolute fortune.
No,
you can £100 brick, or if you want to donate, head over to the Animals in Distress website and you'll find all the information there. The Big Bark project, I think. I keep tipping it up and showing the sky.
Oh, that's all right. So I'm not going up my nostrils.
No, not yet. Am I doing a bit? Kitter's watching. So Kitter, hi Kitter. Look, I'm covering it. My arms basically aren't long enough,
Hi,
are they,
Kitter.
Rosie? So my arms weren't long enough to hold it. My arm's gone
go
dead.
back.
Go back. Here we go. What's that? So I look like
Hi,
a giant. So, are you guys coming to Woofstock again this year? We were just
Yes,
having a quick chat
cannot wait.
about it. We were chatting about who's going to do the mascot charity race, really, weren't we? That's what we were talking about. I nominate Kitter.
Yes, good idea.
I think Kitter should get in a big mascot outfit and run. I don't think you should, because obviously you're more there and you'll be able to get money off people.
That's true. There is an excuse for me to not get into
There is. It's a good excuse. Because
I'm gonna
literally,
use
if it's a
that.
hot day,
If it's a
literally,
cold day, I would gladly be
if
in
it's
a
a cold
mascot
day,
day
you can be
today.
in
I'm
it. You can be in it. And you're at the Devon County show this weekend.
Come and say hello.
337 Row L, I think it is.
Avenue L.
Avenue L 337, next to some very brightly coloured tractors and stuff. There we go. So come and say hi. You've got a prize draw going on.
We've got a prize draw to win a spa day. It's free to enter. Just come and give us your details, and we've got all sorts of things to sell. We've sold a lot of raincoats today.
And wellies?
And wellies.
You sold some wellies?
We sold some wellies first thing.
It was a
so
coat
was
that you
good.
wanted, but
There
somebody
was a coat
bought
that
it.
Somebody bought it.
Somebody wanted it.
Blooming public. Supporting us.
Well, we love supporting you. We love what you do, and we can't wait to see you at Woofstock.
No, see you all there.
And it's got a crazy weekend of fun.
Brilliant.
You don't need a dog to come. You can always come and see. If you don't have a dog, you can always come to the Animal in
Yeah, come
Distress
and get
store
one.
and come and have a look and see what amazing dogs there are to
Oh, they all
sponsor.
need lovely homes.
See, they do, don't they? Who was I looking at? Hugo. 1-year-old Spaniel Cross Collie. He's a beauty. Carol said no. She said definitely no. But he's beautiful.
Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous. Go on the website. Go and check them out. Go and check the dogs that are on there. And the cats and the rabbits.
And the guinea pigs.
And the guinea pigs. No chickens. No. Cats, rabbits, guinea pigs, dogs.
And the centre's open to the public, so
Yeah.
you can come and visit any day between 10 and 4. The dogs aren't, because obviously they're a little bit more sensitive to people visiting, coming and going into their space, but you
Celebrities,
can
aren't
see the cats, rabbits and guinea pigs, and come meet the team.
You can volunteer to dog walk.
Absolutely, yeah, it's crucial.
Yeah, and you can volunteer to dog walk, and you can bring blankets, and you're always looking for stuff like that,
Yeah,
aren't you?
we're always
So it's
looking
all
for
good.
puppy food, kitten food, dog
Proper
food,
food.
there are all sorts of things.
Dog food, tea bags.
I'll have them.
You'll have them.
Chocolate with marshmallows.
Right, on that crazy note, because there's a beautiful dog, a bearded collie that's just walked past that I seem to have fallen in love with.
Oh no, with
Sorry,
a little
can I get a shot of your bearded collie? Look, bearded collie. What's the bearded collie's name? Sarah. Oh, Sarah. I know it's my coat. It's too bright. Hi, Sarah. Look. Say hello. You're being watched by thousands of people. Oh, look, tennis balls. No, Saren is clearly. Go on, give a wave. Give a wave. Are you coming to visit the Animals in Distress store? It's like Rosie's in distress because she's cold. So anyway, thank you.
After yesterday.
I know, it's a bit of a shock.
Have a good day, ladies. Cheers. Right, that's it. Sorry about
You're very
that. Barking mad.
No problem.
Barking mad. Right, it is goodbye definitely from
Bye,
us.
bye everyone.
All right, catch you
Thank you so
later.
much.
Bye. Bye.